Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Anani with At Home with Anani. Thank you so very much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. So let's get started. Hey guys, I am participating in an open collaboration which is being hosted by Faith over at Beautiful Life. The name of the collaboration is called $15 Fall Decor Haul. The rules for this collaboration was pretty easy. You pretty much go out and you find deals up to $15. You decorate your home and you film a video. But guys, if you'd like to see what I got for my $15, keep watching. Before I get into this video though, I'd like to take the opportunity again to thank Faith over at Beautiful Life for hosting this collaboration. If you have not seen Faith's channel, be sure to go over, tell her I sent you, and subscribe to her channel. In my description box down below will be a link to the playlist of everyone who's participating in this collaboration. Guys, be sure to stop by and show them some love by subscribing to the channel. Alright guys, let's get into the video. So for my $15 haul, I was able to get 15 items. I did not go to like a department store. I decided to go thrifting, and I'm telling you, I got some amazing deal. The first item I got was this Be Thankful sign. Okay, absolutely beautiful. Okay, and the regular price on this was $6.99. She happened to leave the tag on it, and I got it for $1. So I'm super excited to use this. Then I got two huge candles, which I will only show one in this video. It's this pumpkin glitter candle. It is pretty, scrubbed up. I'm just probably going to spray paint it. And I got it for 25 cents. So I got two of these. The next item I got was this Mercury pumpkin candle holder. You just put your little tea light in here. It's an orange. I may or may not be spraying this, not 100% sure. And I got it for $1. Alright. Then the next item I got actually was two of these. I don't know where the other one is, but it's the silver owl, and I got two for $1. This one yard sale, I got this whole set for $10, and it has 9 pieces. So I got two of these. It's like in this orange color. Super cute. They're appetizer plates, and they're from Chris Madden for the home collection. So I got these two. And I got two in the green. I got 3 in the orange of these soup tureens, real cute. I'm only going to show one, but trust me, I did get 3. And then I got 2 in this. Well guys, this is the end of my haul. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Now I'm getting ready to go over and decorate my dining room. Well guys, this is the end of my video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Again, I'd like to thank Faith with Beautiful Life for hosting this collaboration. In my description box down below will be a link to the playlist of everyone who's participating in this collaboration. Again guys, thank you so very much for taking your precious time to watch this video. Everybody be blessed, have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.